Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, occupational health and safety is vital in all workplace matters and considered the cornerstone of a sustainable, productive, and ethical business because non-compliance will have a significant impact on human lives as well as the work environment. It is even more critical for small, medium enterprises as they are the backbone of our economy, representing about 70% of all registered businesses and employing about 60% of the workforce. However, they also represent an unreasonable amount of workplace accidents due to limited resources for safety infrastructure. To reduce these incidents and improve worker well-being, the Ministry has moved beyond mere legal enforcement and regulatory compliance. Speaker, sir, education, training, and awareness is the most sustainable form of prevention. We are empowering employers and workers on their specific roles through OHS awareness and training, providing them with information, relevant instructions, and guidance to promote continuous workplace improvement. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry, in partnership with the Ministry of Cooperative, Trade and Small and Medium Enterprises, have introduced an innovative online business system and revolutionized the business environment in Fiji, thus reducing the turnaround time for inspections, efficiency, and meeting the regulatory compliance requirements. Furthermore, we have now adopted a risk-based approach to health and safety inspection and audits and compliance requirements to prioritize resources and focus on workplaces with high risk of businesses. These workplaces are inspected and audited every year, whereas the low-risk nature of businesses are inspected every 3 years. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have introduced 2 online business platform inspection systems, which are starting a business online for general workplace inspections and audit of new and ongoing business. My ministry, through the National OHS Service, have conducted around 3,300 general workplace inspections and audits last year, and the number will increase this year, especially targeting the SMEs. Building permits, Mr. Speaker, sir, building permit approvals online system for vetting workplace design, plans, periodic inspections, and commissioning of buildings. Mr. Speaker, sir, my ministry in the past year has conducted around 420 workplace design plans, vetting and commissioned about 150 workplaces. Mr. Speaker, sir, the other key strategies to improve OHS commitment and compliances in Fiji's workplaces are through specific statutory requirements under the OHS legislation to conduct mandatory inspections of plants and machines that are used at workplaces. These are high-pressure plants like steam boilers, air receivers, and load-bearing plants and machineries such as cranes, mobile plants, forklifts, lifting gear, etc. For the past year, we had conducted more than 9,000 statutory inspections for all types of industries throughout Fiji, including SMEs. Mr. Speaker, sir, in addition, we have conducted around 970 workplace registrations and audits on workplace management systems to ascertain the functions and effectiveness of workplace OHS committees. We have also conducted around 95 OHS trainings and more than 500 sessions of OHS awareness. Majority of these awareness sessions were mostly for the SMEs. Mr. Speaker said, occupational health and safety hygiene is also very, very critical to ensure that workplace amenities and facilities are provided and maintained. We have also conducted critical audits such as noise assessments, lighting facilities, dust, airflow, asbestos and ergonomics assessment, etc., to around 25 workplaces last year. Mr. Speaker said, preventive strategies to reduce workplace accidents and enhance worker well-being focus on shifting from a reactive to a proactive approach, integrated with international best practices and occupational health, safety, and wellness. With the SMEs, we encourage employers and workers to identify any health and safety issues and provide an environment where workers feel safe to report hazards, near misses, or any OHS issues without fear of retaliation, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, we continue to streamline our policies and processes to support the growth of SMEs who play a significant role towards the growth of our economy. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you for the opportunity.
Thanks, the Honorable Agni Singh, the Minister for Employment, Productivity and Workplace.